Welcome to InterestPrint. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the easy steps to join our affiliate program. Let's get started. Creating an account and accessing the affiliate program. Invite your friends and followers to join InterestPrint. Simply input their email addresses, and we'll send them personalized invitation emails. Through your affiliate link, they can effortlessly register on InterestPrint, introducing them to a world of unique products and designs. Step 2. Boost your earnings by sharing your affiliate link across various social media platforms. Spread the word about our incredible products and designs within your network and witness your commissions grow. By sharing your affiliate link, you're not just introducing others to InterestPrint, you're also earning commissions on their purchases. It's a win-win situation. So, whether you're a social media influencer, content creator, or just passionate about unique designs, our affiliate program is for you. Now, let's talk about commissions and withdrawals. As your referrals make purchases, you earn commissions. These commissions can be easily withdrawn through our user-friendly platform. It's quick, secure, and a great way to turn your enthusiasm into tangible rewards. Join the InterestPrint affiliate program today and start turning your influence into income. Sign up, share your unique link, and let the commissions roll in. Happy earning with InterestPrint. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Get started now and make your passion for unique designs work for you. Happy affiliating!